On September 16, Buchanan filed an application with the Constituted Authority seeking to void the election result in the seat that's been represented by the Prime Minister since 1997. The application cites a number of alleged irregularities and breaches in the conduct of the election. In the final count, Dr. Holness tallied 7,090 votes to Buchanan's 4,980. But during a podcast interview, Buchanan falsely insisted that he was the clear winner in West Central St. Andrew.
I believe in my heart I won the election, and I won it very big. There are 33,000 voters in that constituency. We have 3 divisions, 8,000 in the civil rights division, smallest. We have 11,000 in Olympic, which is Mr. Holness's strong area. And there is Mullines, which has 13,400, by far the largest. We have never lost it, not since adult suffrage. Who knew that if Mullines came out, the election was lost, no matter what he did down at Olympic.
On Wednesday, the Constituted Authority set the record straight. The election result will stand.